How does it work?
That distance between there and there has to be about the same as that distance across there. So when you blow down these two straws, the ends of the straws are blocked with bits of tissue paper. So the air has to go up these 4 uprights here.
Okay.
And they blow against the tissue paper. And because it's that shape, it's very stable.
Because it's what shape?
That shape. So because it's stable when you drop it, if you put it in 4 jets of air,
So what do you mean by stable?
it doesn't wobble. If you make one that's slightly the wrong shape, like say this one isn't quite the right shape, won't be stable. Well, actually that one is stable, but you can make them so you can make them so that they aren't stable.
Is it basically if they're unsymmetrical or something?
You have to make it that shape. Only that shape works.
And how do you make that shape?
Okay, so you get a square of tissue paper and a square of stiffer paper.
So tissue paper and then normal paper, or
That's
kind
right.
of card?
Yeah, no, just ordinary paper.
Cat walk through the shop.
And that stiffens the tissue paper. Without that, it's not strong enough.
Barry's tail's in the way.
And it holds it.
Wait, hang on, can I just see what the centre looks like again?
Yeah.
Okay, so how do you stick that on? Glue?
Yeah, Pritt stick.
Okay.
Strangely enough, if you turn it inside out, it no longer works. You would think that it does, but in fact no, it doesn't. Let's try it inside out. Yeah, so here's one I've turned inside out. And although the weight distribution is the same, for some reason it will no longer be stable.
So you generally need the tissue side
Downwards,
down.
yeah. That's not quite as stable
Okay, as tissue side down.
as tissue side down, yeah.
So how big's the tissue paper in relation to the...
So when you fold it like that, that distance from there to there has to be the same as that distance from there to there, so that the jet of air can push on that bit there.
Is there any easy way to give a size estimation?
Well, that's 140 millimeters across, and that's about 2 inches. Those things are the middles of cotton buds, and they're held upright by these 2 bits of wire so that you can adjust them. These all have to be pointing exactly upwards, because if I move one of them so it's crooked, you'll see it won't work anymore. So
do you cut holes in the big straws?
yeah, you just make holes. So I've made one of those a little bit crooked, and now it won't work anymore. Well, yeah, that shouldn't have worked that time, okay? So,
But anyway, they need to be straight,
yeah, they need to be straight.
like perpendicular,
Yeah, that's right.
90 degrees.
And you don't want them sticking too far down inside this straw.
Right. Just sitting in it.
Yeah, that's right.
And then what do the metal paper clips do?
They're just bits of wire.
What's that to do? Just keep the...
just to keep these upright, because these aren't glued in or anything. They're just like stuck in holes.
Hang on. Right.
See? hole there.
Oh right, so the wire's just bent up and holding.
Yeah. Just sellotaped onto the, pressed into the hole like that.
So the paper clip is just sellotaped onto the...
Cotton bud up middle bit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
And that's not a paper clip, it's a bit of, but it could be.
Oh, just a bit of wire, is it?
Yeah, but
Right.
a paper clip would be fine.
Just something that's malleable.
That's it, something you can bend so that it's upright. And you don't have to make it like that, but that's the way I make it.
Cool.